Welcome to Auto Trends. Today the Mercedes-AMG G63 is a high-performance luxury SUV that combines rugged off-road capability with opulent comfort and cutting-edge technology. Known for its iconic boxy design, the G63 is a symbol of power and prestige. Under the hood, it features a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 turbo engine, delivering an impressive 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the G63 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed transmission ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts, while the AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability in all driving conditions. The G63's exterior is characterized by its bold, muscular stance, highlighted by the distinctive AMG-specific radiator grille, flared wheel arches, and 21-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. The LED high-performance headlights and taillights add a modern touch to its timeless design. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and functionality, featuring premium materials such as Nappa leather upholstery, AMG-specific trim elements, and heated and ventilated front seats. The dual 12.3-inch widescreen displays provide a futuristic interface for the MBUX infotainment system, which includes voice control, navigation, and smartphone integration. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the G63's 3 fully locking differentials, adaptive damping system, and selectable driving modes, which allow it to tackle even the most challenging terrains with ease. Despite its rugged capabilities, the G63 offers a refined on-road driving experience, thanks to its AMG ride control suspension and advanced driver assistance systems. With its unmatched combination of performance, luxury, and versatility, the Mercedes-AMG G63 continues to set the benchmark for high-end SUVs.